One minute. Faithfulness even in your ministry. When I say ministry, I mean your calling. For this, be faithful. Even on days where you find that there are a lot of empty chairs, you are faithful. Even myself on preaching, I should be faithful. Even on days where there is no one, I should be faithful. Even on days where there is no offering, there is no tithe, there is no one, I must be faithful. There is no faithfulness. Uthembekile? Wena uthembekile ngisho kuwe. Unamanga ngisho kuwe. Niyazathi mina manga ngisho kini. Uyathi obonani? Wona usungena enkonzweni uthandaza njengomuntu omsulu. In the time where you should pray, Nkosi, angithembekile kuwe 6. Ubhize khona in 5 Lord. Khatha papa katheke sita papa. 5 Lord. God must help you awuthembekile.